एक हसीना थी, एक दीवाना था, क्या उम्र, क्या समा, क्या जमाना था. Wow. I think everyone is familiar with these lyrics. There was a pretty damsel and there was a guy who was mad after her enticing beauty. Those were the days, and that was a wonderful world. Yesterday on social media, a 4-year-old boy was singing this song effortlessly and with full artistry. What amazed me most was that he was singing from memory without referring to any notes. And immediately it took me for a stroll down the memory lane when, as a child, I first time listened to this song. After that, it was on my lips for long time. And if my memory serves me right, this song is from the movie Curse. It is picturized on Rishi Kapoor, and it is a story of rebirth. In the movie, memories of the previous birth strike Rishi Kapoor again and again. Am I right? Is this the same movie? Yes. Yes, it is absolutely right. I'm absolutely right. It means I have a sharp memory. With this beautiful melody, Ek Hasina Tha Ek Deewana Tha, I just need to welcome all of you to the wow section of Intellectual Bridges. Wow means web of words. And today I'm going to talk about the word memory and different expressions associated with it to convey variegated meanings. Memory is the faculty of the brain by which data or information is encoded, stored, or retrieved when needed. It is the retention of information over time for the purpose of influencing future actions. In very simple words, it is an ability to remember things. For example, all the precious moments I spent with my beloved cat are still fresh in my memory. वो हसीन पल आज भी मेरी यादों में ताज़ा हैं. At the onset of this video, I used 3 different expressions related to this word memory. First of all, when I said he was singing from memory, it means he was singing without referring to any notes. He was singing without doing any paper reading. He was singing just from his memory. For example, I'm delivering this lecture from memory. That means I'm not doing any paper reading, I'm not taking any help from notes, I'm just speaking from memory. Secondly, when I said immediately, it took me for a stroll down the memory lane. It means to remember happy moments from the past. And thirdly, when I said, if my memory serves me right, it means if I remember correctly. This is quite useful expression and it is used quite often. For example, if my memory serves me right, we take left from here, left turn from here and then go straight. We take left turn from here and then go straight. It means if I remember correctly, we take left turn from here and then go straight. So like this, there are numerous expressions which can be used in variety of situations in life. Let's learn some more expressions. You know, some people say, I have a memory like an elephant. Now, what does it mean, a memory like an elephant? It means I can remember things quite easily and for a long period of time. Good. And some people give me compliments like this: I'm blessed with a photographic memory. Now, what is this photographic memory? Photographic memory means an ability to remember things, information or visual images in exact detail, point to point. Isn't it amazing? Yes, it is. And thanks for the compliments. But on the flip side, I have a friend who is trying his hand at politics, and he has a very selective memory. Now, what is this selective memory? A selective memory means to remember some facts and to apparently forget others, especially when they are not convenient. Like most of the politicians have this kind of memory, this selective kind of memory. You must have seen, like when they have to fulfill some promises, they remember the things, and when the project is out of their reach, they just forget. So जो आपके काम का है वो उसे याद रखना, और जो आपकी पहुंच के बाहर है, जो आप नहीं कर सकते हो, उसे भूल जाना. लाइक मुझे तो याद ही नहीं रहा. Okay, so I was just talking about my friend, like, who is trying his hand at politics. He is quite interested in politics, but I'm least interested in politics, and I think in future our roads will be different. And I haven't talked to him for quite a long time now, but the conversation I had with him last time is engraved on my memory. Now, what is this engraved on my memory? Engraved on my memory means it is impossible to forget. And there are several moments in every person's life which are impossible to forget, and if you are having any such moment, you can use this expression there. So these are some expressions. I suggest all of you to mug up these expressions, and you can use these, or you can try these in your future chats or in your daily conversations. Before closing, I just want to say that I use these examples, these stories or examples of these people just to make you understand. These are totally imaginary. Okay, so with these words, I take your leave. Thank you very much. May you have a life full of sweet, sweet memories. Bye-bye.